Hello guys, this is Aryan. In this video I will tell you 10 lines essay about Sudha Murty. Number 1. Sudha Murty is an Indian author, social worker and philanthropist. Number 2. She was born on 19th August 1950 in Karnataka. Number 3. She is a role model for women. Number 4. She is also the chairperson of Infosys Foundation. Number 5. She worked as a software engineer at Infosys. Number 6. She has written numerous books in English and Kannada. Number 7. Her books have been translated into over 20 languages. Number 8. She has won numerous awards for her writing and philanthropy. Number 9. She holds a degree in electrical engineering from the Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. Number 10. She is an inspiration to all who know her. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe the channel and stay tuned. Thank you.